Hello guys, this is Harshoni, and every student is confused after 12th, after 10th class. After 10th class, what choose streams in 11th class. Many students confuse. Many students confuse which stream choose in 11th class, which is useful. We will talk about some students. We will talk about some students who choose science maths streams because science maths is one of the most easy and little tough subject, because science maths is only based on formulas, but it is a question. And art system and science and art system and commerce systems, it is also good subject, but science is one of the most important and useful subject in our life. If you use maths and science, if you use science in daily life, we see matters, elements, and many more things see around us. Okay, and you get down in math subject. Mathematics is very easy subject, because mathematics is only basis on formulas. If you get correct formula in your question, your answer will be correct, but you get wrong formula in your question, your answer will be wrong. So you are disturbed from your math subject, but you don't think okay, math is very hard subject. Not hard. Math is also very easy subject. If you think arts is very hard subject, not arts is very hard subject, and commerce also hard subject. Every subject, I tell to you, every subject is not hard, it is very easy, but you get correct way to study, your subject is very easy, and you get in mind. Your all concept is clear in your favorite subject, but you focus on your favorite subjects, and practice subject very hard. One thing, hard work is a patient to success. This is a golden statement, and personally I use these things in my life. Okay, this is my first class to you, and my name is Harshoni. You can subscribe me on my YouTube channel, and hit the like button and press the bell icon, and share to all your friends and school students, to get many of you students are confused which subject choose after 10th class, which stream is good for us, so we will talk about to every students, your favorite streams, your favorite subjects in the streams, you can achieve goal. So this is my wrong statement. I say clear your interest in any subject, you get crack every subject, you crack all exams, you get all crack competitive exams, you also get crack UPSC exam. Most of the people think UPSC is very hard, UPSC interview is also very hard, but UPSC interview is not hard, it is also easy, because you think UPSC is hard interview, then your brain, then your study is depend upon your brain. Your brain get negative instruction to your mind, your study not your focus is not your study. So this is my first class to you, and bye, take care, and hello, bye.